Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, MystiQueen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to MystiQueen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 2 to 8, 2023. General reading, so just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, what's up with you, Sagittarius, for this week? What do we have for you? Judgment. The Pluto energy is here. So there's a rebirth. Like a very powerful change in your life. It's like a realization. It's like parang bagong ikaw yung pinapanganak. Okay, you have the Five of Swords, the Strength card, and the Knight of Swords. Five of Swords energy is someone who is palaban, okay? Someone who is very competitive. If you're someone na hinahayaan mo lang na ibully ka before or parang i-take advantage ka ng ibang tao, it seems that ngayon, hindi mo nahahayaang mangyari yon. You are going to defend yourself. You have the strength to do that. You have the courage to do that. Malakas yung loob mo, matatag ka, palaban ka. Ito yung tipong, dati hindi ka pumapatol sa mga taong nagtatry namang down sa'yo. But it seems like you feel na sumusobra na sila. And you are about, it's like you're about to enter your villain era, no? Yung tipong, no one's gonna mess up with you, or else they will take, or they will get what they deserve. Alam mo yun? So, ibibigay mo sa kanila yung dinideserve nila. Palaban. What is Judgment? Ano tong Judgment card? The Hanged Man. You've been thinking about this for a long time, no? Maaring nire-restrain, mo yung sarili mo. Pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo na pumatol, pero dumating ka na dun sa point na you have to kailangan mo ipagtanggol yung sarili mo. What is the Five of Swords? The Five of Pentacles. Some people, no, yung iba, tinake advantage yung resources mo. Yung pera mo, yung mga gamit mo. Someone might be abusive of your kindness. The Chariot. Yes, you are moving on. You are moving forward. I feel like parang nagising ka na sa katotohanan na teka, I'm not gonna be doing this. Hindi ko na sila hayaan na gawin to sa akin, no? To make me feel bad about myself or to use you, no? Oo. Meron kasi ritong nanlalamang sa'yo eh. Or someone is very competitive of you na who wants na ayaw ka maging successful. And I think it was revealed to you. Na-realize mo kung sino to. This can be sa workplace mo, can be a business competitor, pwedeng a person romantically connected to you, can be a friend. What is the Knight of Swords? See? Lalabanan mo to. Like, you are going to make this person feel na you are powerful enough. Kasi siguro, you've been so kind, no? To some people na you try your best na maging friends with them or, you know, trying to be good. But, no, I feel like you're here to, andito ka para ipaglaban naman yung sarili mo. Ipagtanggol yung sarili mo. And you're going to be very successful in that. Ace of Swords. It's like a new person. Parang may bago kang ideology, may bago kang pananaw sa buhay. It has brought you some clarity in your life. It feels like you are really protecting yourself now. You are protecting your happiness. Okay. And then the Three of Pentacles. Wow. Some of you, maaring merong nag-underestimate ng inyong kakayanan for the longest time. And hinahayaan nyo lang yun. Pero ngayon, you are about to tell them how powerful you are. You are changing for the better. It's like you are coming out of your shell. And ipapakita mo sa kanila how successful you are, how successful you are going to be. Because you know how to use your resources. Observer. Yes, you've been observing these people for a very long time. Tinitingnan mo, ano bang intention ng tao na to sa akin? Bakit itong tao na to is trying to be close to me? Fork in the road. Now, it's time for you to decide which path to take. I think you've gained clarity. Some of you kasi pwedeng may energy of being a people pleaser. You want to be liked by a lot of people. Gusto mo na accepted ka ng maraming tao or ng lahat ng tao. But let's face it, we can't do that. We can't please everybody. There will always be someone na who don't like us. You know? And ang mahirap lang dito is kung hinahayaan natin maging parte ng buhay natin yung mga tao na kunyari is gusto tayo but secretly wanting us to fail. So, ayan, you are seeing through them. You are realizing who they really are. You have Moon in Aries in the first house. Yes, you are protecting yourself. You are protecting your energies now. You have Mercury in Pisces in the 12th house. You are so inspired with this new opportunity, itong bagong landas na tatahakin mo, itong new chapter ng buhay mo na nag-unfold para sa'yo. It's like you are leaving things behind. Yung mga taong hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo in a way na very supportive sa'yo, you know, you just know. So some money, don't fear failure but be afraid of regrets. Yes. Be afraid of your regrets. Your worries are blocking your success. Remind yourself of your greatness and stay optimistic. Don't be bothered by, you know, the people around you na you want them to always accept you kasi there's someone, ikaw lang yung makakapag-accept sa sarili mo na number one na dapat mong i-consider because you are someone that you can control. So, sa pera, nagbabago yung perspective mo rin sa pera. You are more careful now in handling your finances. So, sa love naman, let's see. Red flags. You know, you can see through the red flags. If you're dealing with someone, alam mo kung itong taong to ay maganda ang intention sa'yo o hindi. And if there are red flags, this person is out. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.